Mobile phones have become so integral to our modern way of life that they have changed the way we work, communicate, relax and play. In this video, we'll look at 18 weird phone facts. Number 1. When the iPhone was introduced in 2007, the Apple CEO used it to make a public prank call, ordering 4,000 lattes from a nearby Starbucks. However, the engineers of a prototype iPhone, which Jobs was using, were also relieved that it worked without a hitch throughout the presentation, as the then unfinished iPhone was being very buggy and unreliable. So Jobs only showed the iPhone doing things that they thought it would do without crashing it. Number 2. Approximately 100,000 mobile phones are lost each year or damaged beyond repair by being accidentally dropped down toilets in the United Kingdom. Number 3. Talking of toilets, your phone has 18 times more bacteria on it than a toilet seat. Number 4. More people in the world now own a mobile phone than a toothbrush, or, for that matter, a toilet. Number 5. Apple owes much of its fortune to the iPhone. With over 830 million units sold, it has made approximately 70% of the company's $200 billion cash pile. Number 6. The most popular single phone model in the world was the Nokia 1100, with over 250 million units sold. This also makes it the biggest selling electronic gadget in history. Number 7. Video and photos uploaded via mobiles to Facebook now account for up to 27% of all upstream web traffic. Number 8. Mobile phones are now incredibly energy efficient compared to a PC, for example. An iPhone costs just 25 US cents a year to run if it is fully charged once a day, every day. Number 9. The technology behind a modern smartphone now relies upon up to 250,000 separate patents. Number 10. 48% of smartphone owners in the United States say that they couldn't live without their devices. Number 11. In the 9 years since the first iPhone was released and up until April 2016, Apple has sold about 830 million iPhones, which works out an average of 261,000 iPhones per day worldwide, or about 3 every second since its launch in 2007. Number 12. 99% of malware is targeted at Android phone users. Number 13. The first commercially available mobile phone was the Motorola Dynatac 8000, and it was released in 1984 at a cost of $3,995. That's around about $9,500 in today's valuations. It had a 30-minute talk time and took 10 hours to recharge. So maybe we haven't moved as far forward as you like to think. Number 14. The idea of a cell phone was first proposed by Bell Labs in 1947, but it wouldn't be until the early 1970s before the technology had advanced enough to make them a truly portable device that we know of today. And even then, it wouldn't be until 1984, a further 10 years later, before it became available for sale to the general public. Number 15. 65% of smartphone owners download, on average, 0 apps per month. Number 16. With all the hype that the iPhone receives, you would think that they are the biggest sellers, but in fact they are a long way behind Android-based smartphones, with Android taking 73% of all sales, followed by Apple at just 18%, then Windows at 7% and 2% for the rest. Number 18. There is now a recognised phobia called nomophobia, which is the fear of being without a mobile phone. Number 18. With all the infighting between Samsung and Apple, you would think that the two companies would hate each other. Well, maybe they do. But, as they say, money trumps everything. And the computer chip that powers the iPhone is apparently made by Samsung, according to technical intelligence experts who have analysed the chip with an electron microscope. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, then don't forget to please thumbs up and subscribe for more, and if you have any ideas for videos you'd like to see, then please let us know in the comments below.